In this video you'll learn how to install an agent on a Linux machine. So we'll quickly navigate to the Dynatrace deploy page. Here in the deploy OneAgent page I am just selecting the Linux OS. The first step is to generate an access token to give the access to the environment. Here I am not having any network zone, I didn't select any network zone, and we can create a host group. So I have defined a host group from here. Log monitoring is enabled, and these are the commands which are auto generated. So I'll just copy. The first one is the download command, and the third one is the installer command. I'll skip the verify signature step number 2, so we can directly download using the download command. I have copied both the commands here in the notepad. So first we need to execute this download command. So here I have logged into my Linux server, where we can directly execute the download command first. We'll copy from the notepad where we have so we have executed the download command, and the OneAgent is getting installed. It will take a moment for the agent to install. So agent has been downloaded now. So let us switch to the root. So we need to execute the installer as a root user. So using this command I'm trying to switch to the root user. And let's move to the folder where we have downloaded. Here in my case I have downloaded it in Linux admin folder, so I'll move to that directory. and here we need to execute this command to give the execute permissions. And then we can run the third command, that is the installer command, directly and hit enter. So now our OneAgent is getting installed. So now we can see that the agent has been successfully installed. Let's go back to the Dynatrace UI and see the deployment status. So yeah, see, our Linux machine has been installed. We can even check that from the hosts page. We'll navigate to the hosts classic page, and you can see one Linux machine. The above one is the Windex, which was already installed, and this is the recent installation. So this is the host that we have installed in the full stack mode. We can see all the CPU, memory, process metrics. Please do subscribe the channel for more Dynatrace content on a daily basis.